Lee, what's the weather?
It's cloudy, changing to light showers this afternoon.
Should we go and test the RS3?
Yeah, that sounds good.
While you fill your face with a donut?
Absolutely.
What's the weather, Kaylee?
Cloudy with a chance of meatballs.
Like your head?
Yes.
Meatball! It's sunny outside.
Finally, some good weather.
Yeah, let's go and test the RS3.
Right, okay, so plan with this, we're gonna go run the PCM box as promised. Obviously we had the bad weather on the video we did with the dyno. So we're gonna go run this in stock form, so with the blank plugged in and with the PCM box attached. So let's go do that, Harris. Time as that S4.
You reckon?
Yeah.
It's just skidding in first, isn't it?
You feel like fucking ripping it up, don't you? Okay, so stock runs are done. And we're just gonna go and give it, swapped it over straight into the box, the blanking plug. Little blanking plug's out. So now, gonna go give it a pull with the box on. A little bit of a contrast from the last video on the RS3. It was pouring it down by the time we finished. We've got a little bit of sunshine today. DA still isn't great and the temperature's relatively okay. Been out there, again, like I said, two of us in the car. We've gone and 0 to 60. We've ran a 3.62 seconds 0 to 60 in stock form. These cars launch so well just out of the box. Not so much with these tyres on, but again, they do launch pretty well out of the box. When you look at the graphs, as Harris will put them on, you'll see when we do the tuned run, you'll see it's a little bit more erratic low down just because it's losing traction. So with the tune on there, I think with some better grip, we'd get this 0 to 60 time down a little bit more, because you can literally feel the car just doesn't hook up at all, especially on the front wheels. So yeah, but we still did an improvement on that. So we did a 3.32, so down from 3.62 down to 3.32. Then, so we did 0 to 60 in quarter mile. So on the quarter mile, we ran 11.84 stock at 115 mile per hour. Tuned, we ran 11.35 at 121 mile an hour. So an improvement of 6 miles per hour in the terminal speed and an improvement of half a second in the quarter mile time. So again, we could spend all day out there trying to sort of improve on the time, but literally there it is, back to back. You're coughing down the camera, just ruined my whole shot. It is what it is. That's like for like, back to back. We saved half a second at the quarter mile, gained 6 miles per hour in the terminal. Also we've shaved like 0.3 of a second off the 0 to 60. Like I said before, I think we'd improve that with some better grip. But again, yeah, this is just a tuning box. It's just a tuning box, exactly. You know, it's never going to be as good as a full ECU calibration, but obviously they're the next things to come. And again, if you buy one of these boxes, you can just, when the tune's ready, hand it back, and you're eligible for a OEM Plus tune. I mean, it's really win-win. And I guess on that note, probably a shorter video than normal, or not. Depends how long Harris can edit it out for. But
how much shit you chat?
not an awful lot, to be fair. Like blood from a stone. Anyway, please like, share, subscribe. We can continue to do videos that hopefully you enjoy.
Tell them what we will do. We'll see them next week. We're going to commit to one video.
Okay, right. So we're going to have a video every week now, at least one a week. So yeah, we will see you next week.